Asthma has played a central role in my life. Growing up, my father had really severe asthma and had frequent attacks. Imagine being a kid and seeing the strongest person you know hunched over, helpless. My father's a taxi cab driver in DC. And I remember he'd call and he was coughing, and he would tell me somebody was smoking in the back of my cab. And that was really frightening for me because I knew that the cigarette smoke was one of the common ways in which his asthma worsened. Still to this day, I worry about his asthma. Seeing my father suffer from asthma attacks really inspired me to actually go into medicine. I wanted to make better medicines for people like him. We know from science and from research that drugs can affect people in different ways. And so in clinical trials, we want to make sure that we represent patients from all over the world. But actually for many years, clinical trials have not been representative of our diverse population. There are barriers, and these barriers include historical lack of trust in institutions. And in some countries, another big barrier is access to these clinical trials.
Soy de la localidad de Manuel Ocampo, a aproximadamente 230 kilómetros de la ciudad de Buenos Aires. Me diagnosticaron asma a los 10 años. Eran con mucha periodicidad, eran muy fuertes, y tener esa sensación de que en cualquier momento te quedas sin nada de aire. Yo en Pergamino me atendía con un médico que también estaba desbordado con el tema de mi diagnóstico, que yo no mejoraba, que no sabía qué hacer. Después lo conocí al doctor Jorge Máspero a los 17 años, que me diagnosticó correctamente y empezamos en un ensayo clínico el tratamiento a Buenos Aires.
In the previous, let's say 20 or 25 years, many people were afraid or have enormous concerns about clinical trials, which is of course a complete mistake. Improvement is a continuous process. It doesn't change a day to the other, but slowly and continuously you see that the perception of the people has been changing.
¿Qué tal, Antonella? ¿Cómo has estado? Por favor,
Bien,
sentate.
¿vos?
Bien, es un gusto verte como siempre.
No había
¿Cómo te
ninguna
trataron?
medicación que yo pudiera acceder para hacer un tratamiento. Me sentía, por un lado, con mucha esperanza de poder acceder a algo nuevo y que sea una solución para mi vida. Y por otro lado, sentía un poco de miedo o de incertidumbre porque íbamos a algo totalmente desconocido.
Tomas el aire otra vez. Excelente, muy buena maniobra.
The way asthma sort of manifests in people and the risk of asthma is very different across the world. My name is Amish Patel. I'm the head of development for immunology inflammation at Sanofi. We have an objective in the studies we do to make sure that we have patients from all different backgrounds in our drug trials, so when we're done with them, we can really assess globally what the impact could be, not just in a certain population.
I don't think we acknowledge enough the role clinical trial participants have in ensuring that we have safe and effective drugs on the market. Clinical trial participants are heroes, giving a part of their time, a part of their life to participate and to ensure that there is a new drug that can treat people with their disease. And so that impact is everlasting.